Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the EcoWarm plug-in heater. Now as you can see, I have it here on Amazon. So if you scroll down here, they claim that this is the most efficient warmer for your house. And if you scroll down here, the reviews are relatively mixed, so that's also a red flag for them since it is rated 2.9 out of 5 stars since it has mixed reviews, so it doesn't work. Not worth the money. A lot of people are giving it negative reviews. So actually, on the negatives outweigh the positives here. So the 2 stars are 13%, and the 1 star is actually 33%, and the 5 star is only 31%. So if you go on here to Trustpilot, they're also rated 1.6 out of 5 stars, which is actually considered bad. Not to be surprised by that. And as you can see, a lot of people have said that this is a big scam. Another one said that he is disappointed or she is disappointed. So this one is not also disappointed, and this one said that don't buy. And this one says that they're useless. It's a total scam. And as you can see here on Reddit, there's an advert for a seriously more efficient heater scam. So this is actually talking about this one, the EcoWarmer, or the what is it called? An EcoWarm plug-in heater. So yeah, please do not buy this product. This is a total scam. Don't give into it since the price is also cheap. So what do you expect from a cheap warmer? And yeah, that is it. That is the review on the EcoWarm plug-in heater. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.